All right, so this is a new method of division that someone showed me this year, but I really like it, and I think some of you might like it too. So the first step is the same as long division, but when you put your number in your house, you got to space your dividend out. So instead of writing it close together, I'm going to put my 528. I'm just spacing my numbers out just a little bit, and we're still dividing by 3. So now you do the same steps kind of, but it's just a little bit different. So we're still going to do 5 divided by 3. So how many 3s fit into 5? So of course just one 3 can fit into 5. And then we're going to multiply. So far our steps are the same. Divide, multiply. So 3 times 1 is 3, and my steps are still the same. We're going to subtract. Okay, and 5 minus 3 is 2. Now this is where it gets just a little different. At this point, we're going to pop it up. So we're going to pop this 2 right up to its neighbor 2. So now we have 22, and our process starts over. So we're going to do 22 divided by 3. So how many 3s can fit into 22? And I know that's 7. If you skip count by 3s, 7 times, you get really close to 22, you get 21. So 7 times 3, I'm still following my steps, I'm multiplying. 7 times 3 is 21. So still following my steps. Now I subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1, and 2 minus 2 is 0, so I'm just going to leave that off. Okay, next up, we pop it up. So I'm going to pop my 1 up to its number neighbor, and I've got 18. So now I go back and I start this process over. I'm going to divide. 18 divided by 3. So in other words, how many 3s fit into 18? And of course that's 6. So now we're still following our steps. I'm going to multiply. 6 times 3 is 18. I'm still following my steps. I'm going to subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. And 1 minus 1 is 0. And I don't have any more numbers to work with here, so that means we have to be finished. So my answer is 176. So this method just keeps you from kind of creating these long division problems. Both methods work. You just have to figure out which one you like.